Hi, yesterday was a sad day in the history of New Zealand when evil arrived into New Zealand. We had a shooting in New Zealand in Christchurch where more than 40 people were killed uh, at in the mosque, and so I dedicate this video to the people who have uh, lost their lives and their families, and also to the people of New Zealand, and just pray that there shall not be any more violence, and that hate, the hate should not exist anymore. The acts of hate should disappear. Let it be by anyone. There should not be any more racist or other acts by whereby religion or race is. Today I'll be preparing grilled chicken, and this is one of my grandmother's recipes, and I shall now get on with it. I have here one chicken. This is about 1 kilo 200 grams. The whole chicken I have butterflied it, so cut it in from the bone, that's the backbone, and butterflied, and taken off the excess fat around it. And now I made some few cuts along the chicken and the legs and the breasts. So I'm going to marinate that with a few spices. So I have here chili powder and pepper powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, salt, vinegar, and I'll be making a paste of this and then applying to the chicken and keeping it aside for about 20 minutes maybe, or more. If you want, you can for more. Then I've got this green masala with about 5 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, and 2 chilies, and also I've got 2 tomatoes there. 1 tomato I'll be chopping and adding to this green masala, and then the chicken along with the green masala I will boil it for some time till the chicken is about half done maybe, and slightly cook it, and then I'll strain that, remove the gravy, and put the chicken under grill in the oven and grill it. Now onions, and then the remaining tomato and potatoes. So I will be making rings of the onions, and then also the potato rings and the ring of the tomato. Then I will lightly fry the onion rings. Potatoes I will shallow fry them, apply little salt and shallow fry them till you get a light little brownish. They fried brown till brown, and then also the tomatoes will have about slightly fried the rings of the tomatoes, and then that will serve along with the grilled chicken. I'll be preparing the paste now. So I've got turmeric powder, about half teaspoon turmeric powder, pepper powder half teaspoon, Kashmiri chili powder about 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1.5 teaspoon, and about 1 teaspoon to 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I've got vinegar, about 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and now we'll make a paste of this and apply it to the chicken. So we got a paste, and now I will apply it to the chicken. So now I have this marinated chicken. You can apply a little oil if you want, olive oil on top of it, and keep it. Apply a little olive oil, and now I will mix it well. And also I forgot to tell you some coriander leaves. I'll be chopping and putting it with the green masala, and when I boil it. Heat up a pan and put about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now in the green masala I've also added one chopped onion. So all the green masala has been chopped. The garlic, ginger, chili, coriander leaves, tomato and onion. So once the oil is hot, I will put in the onions, and then the ginger, garlic and chili, and fry it for about few minutes. Then I will put in the tomato and fry that for about a minute or so. So I've got the onions fried, and then I've added the about half teaspoon of salt, and then the tomatoes, fried it for about 2 minutes now. And now I'm going to add the marinated chicken on top of it, and the coriander leaves, and then about 1 cup of water, and allow it to boil till it's half done. Chicken is placed on the added to the pan, and I put about 1 cup of water and the coriander leaves. I'm going to close it and cook it for about 15 minutes. 10 minutes into the boiling, I've just turned over the chicken and going to boil it for another 5 minutes and put it off. I'll put off the flame now, and allowing it to cool for a few minutes, and then I'll place it on in a tray and in the oven, grill it in the oven. So I've got this grill now. I'm putting it on a tray to grill it, and this is a gravy fixed for about 160 to 180 degrees on fan grill. I'll push the chicken in now. Give it about 10 minutes and then turn it around. In a pan, I've put in some oil, heating the oil. Now I will fry the uh, potato rounds, which have been applied little salt and kept aside, and then the onion rings, and then I've got the tomato. So we will put in the. After 10 minutes, I'm removing the chicken and turning it over, and then putting it back in for about another 5 minutes. I'm putting it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. A lot of the potatoes are fried. I'm removing them and frying the next lot. No. That's it, chicken grill, and I'll serve it with the potatoes, ringed onions, and tomato. Frying the onion rings for a few minutes and taking it out. Fry the sliced tomatoes on both sides till it gets slightly burnt color. Chicken is grilled. I've placed the chicken here. Cut and place the chicken. And these are fried tomatoes, fried onions, potatoes, and this is my grandmother's old serving tray. So I'm going to garnish with a few chopped coriander leaves, and Now I've got this gravy. You can keep it plain without the gravy, or you can put little gravy on top so it doesn't become dry, and then serve it along with the gravy. That's it. Chicken grill with potato and onions and tomatoes.